Okay, I stopped the last video,
I see so many weird clients.
and I noticed that the bias has changed, and that tube.
I'm from the Bay Area, so I was born and raised where you are, and I know all about where you are, and so imagine going from there to here. Yeah.
Bouncing around again. So I am going to change this tube out again. Thinking that's the problem. So something changed in the bias after it heats up, I think. Put this one back in. This one is not really named anything, but I think it's a 12BA6. Give it a chance because it's on hand here. Alright, that one's in. Put the cover on. So I guess I gotta wait about 5 minutes here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's probably gonna come on with high, long AGC and very smooth. So you can see the S meter is aligned again.
Help me out for a while, anyway. You actually look at this cost skill challenge. You know, it'd be good to pick up.
So the question is, do I S-can this tube or not? I guess I'll wait and see how this works out.
I would still do it. Oh yeah, I'll look at it for sure. I need to upgrade because yeah, I think some of the businesses around here are getting to the point where they're realizing they need to get their, you know, if they're a million plus, you know, if they're making a lot of money, in other words.
So I'm thinking that if this meter if it doesn't go below 0, that things are going okay with this new tube here. So, interesting problem. Go to 80 meters here and detune it. The meter is going down to 0 where it should. Go back on the 40 here and tune it.
Small business where they make a lot of money, like doctors, right? And there was a little private practice going on. And there was, like, let's say 5 users. Yeah. Take them on the cloud. But, okay, so what if the owner... Okay, so this is my...
And looks like we're still stable here. So I go back to 80 meters and detune it. The meter is resting at 0 where it should, with no signal. So I think that tube was bad. Anyway, I'm just going to put this on YouTube because if in a year from now I'm still fixing these radios, I can refer back to this video on how I fixed a bad AGC problem, AGC on a Drake TR4, and you can figure it out too.
Something with, you know, charger money. She got fed up with that. So she closed all that. She just gave up with Apple. I'm like, okay, whatever. You know, I don't tell, you know, a businesswoman what to do, right? Yeah. My phone's ringing. 1 second. Yeah, sure.
These are the guys, 7, where are they at here? 7, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 5. I guess you can calibrate here. Let's see what's going on. On the money.
Looking for California. Tonight, so I'll just fool around. The 2000 watts. I can't get you. I know. I
or BFF or something. Okay, it'll be, is it P Papa Foxtrot or is it just Foxtrot? No, Jimmy, you just say big.
So you can see the meter is still working correctly. It still has a dampened effect to it with the AGC working with probably almost a 1 second delay. So I'm happy with that.
That is a P then, okay, I got it now. That's what you were saying.
Let's go back to 80 meters and detune it and see the meter is, yep. Okay, so what does that tell me? That tells me that this tube here, 12BA6 V12 is bad. This thing will change characteristics when it heats up. So guess what? See that? That's where it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.